How to change your birthday on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down again. Here you will find this one, profile information, and then here you will find your birthday. Here click this pin here and then just change it and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.